When it comes to improving the curb appeal of your West Jordan home, one of the most impactful upgrades you can make is installing a new front door. The front door is the gateway to your home and plays a crucial role in creating the first impression for visitors, neighbors, and potential buyers. Not only does it provide security, but it also sets the tone for the rest of your home's aesthetic. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's look, improve energy efficiency, or increase security, a new front door can transform your home's exterior in ways you might not expect. Here's how a new front door can elevate your West Jordan home and create a welcoming, stylish entrance that will impress both you and your guests. Boost curb appeal and aesthetic value. Your front door is one of the most noticeable features of your home's exterior. It's the focal point that visitors immediately notice when approaching your property. Over time, doors can wear out, fade, or become outdated, making even the most beautiful home look tired or neglected. A new front door can breathe new life into your home, instantly enhancing its aesthetic appeal and giving it a fresh, modern look. With a wide variety of materials, styles, and colors available, you can choose a door that complements your West Jordan home's architectural style, whether it's traditional, modern, or contemporary. For instance, if you have a classic colonial home, a rich wood door with carved detailing might be the perfect fit. If your home leans toward a more modern design, a sleek fiberglass or steel door with a minimalist design might be the ideal choice. Additionally, your door can be further enhanced with stylish hardware, such as decorative handles, knockers, or mail slots that elevate the look and make your front entryway truly stand out. Improved security and peace of mind. The front door is the most common point of entry for burglars. Upgrading to a new front door can significantly improve the security of your home, providing better peace of mind for you and your family. Modern doors are often made from more durable materials like fiberglass and steel, which are more resistant to forced entry compared to older wooden doors. Many new front doors come equipped with advanced locking systems, including multi-point locks and reinforced frames, which add an extra layer of protection. If security is a concern, smart locks can also be installed on your new door, allowing you to control access remotely via your smartphone. This level of security ensures your home is protected from intruders and gives you peace of mind, knowing your front entrance is secure. Enhanced energy efficiency. A front door does much more than just provide access to your home. It also plays a significant role in regulating your home's energy efficiency. Older doors, particularly those made from wood or poorly insulated materials, can allow drafts and air leaks, leading to higher heating and cooling costs. This is especially important in West Jordan, where winters can be cold and summers can be hot. Energy-efficient doors are designed with better insulation to help keep your home at a comfortable temperature. Many modern doors feature insulated cores or dual-glazed glass that help maintain the internal temperature, keeping heat inside during the winter and cool air in during the summer. As a result, your HVAC system doesn't need to work as hard, which can reduce your energy bills while improving your home's overall comfort. Increased home value. if you're planning to sell your West Jordan home in the near future. Investing in a new front door can increase your property's market value. A new, well-designed front door adds significant appeal to potential buyers. In fact, a door replacement is one of the best home improvements you can make for return on investment, ROI. A beautiful, secure, and energy-efficient front door not only makes a great first impression but also signals to buyers that the home has been well maintained. Buyers are more likely to be attracted to a home with a modern, secure, and efficient front entryway, which can result in a faster sale and potentially higher offers. Better curb appeal and first impression. When people approach your home, the first thing they notice is often the front door. This means the door sets the tone for your home's overall ambiance. A worn-out or outdated front door can give the impression of neglect, while a new, stylish door instantly makes your home look more inviting, well-kept, and welcoming. A fresh, attractive front door creates a positive first impression, whether it's a visitor coming to your home or a potential buyer considering your property. If you want your home to stand out in the neighborhood, upgrading your front door is one of the easiest and most effective ways to achieve this. Low maintenance and durability. New front doors, especially those made from materials like fiberglass or steel, are highly durable and require little maintenance compared to older wooden doors. These modern materials are resistant to weathering, warping, and rotting, which means you won't need to spend time and money on regular upkeep. Additionally, energy-efficient doors are designed to have tight seals that prevent moisture and drafts, further improving their longevity. With a low-maintenance door, you can enjoy the benefits of a beautiful entryway without the constant worry of maintenance. Conclusion: upgrade your home's exterior with a new front door. Investing in a new front door for your West Jordan home can have a significant impact on its overall appearance, security, and energy efficiency. Whether you're looking to improve your home's curb appeal, increase its value, or make it more secure, a new front door is one of the best home upgrades you can make. Choose a door that reflects your style and enhances the functionality of your home, and enjoy the lasting benefits for years to come.